Namaste. This bhajan is on Lord Rama. We are asking him to cast out darkness and illuminate our path with radiant positivity. Thank you for listening. Atma Rama Ananda Ramana Atma Rama Ananda Ramana Achyuta Keshava Harinarayana Achyuta Keshava Harinarayana Atma Ramananda Ramana Atma Ramananda Ramana Bhavabhayaharana Vandita Charana Bhavabhayaharana Vandita Charana Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Lochana Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Lochana Adi Narayana Ananta Shayana Adi Narayana Ananta Shayana Satchidananda Satyanarayana Satchidananda Satyanarayana Atma